बर्थडे पार्टी से पहले एक फेयरवेल पार्टी हो गई तेरी। सीवी पे कैसा लगेगा?
सीवी का तो पता नहीं, पर बैंक स्टेटमेंट में बढ़िया लगेगा।
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
I know 1 साल भी नहीं हुआ है, but it's over. Your hoodie.
How can you do this to us?
Yeah, no. I have to follow my dreams.
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
बेटा किसी लड़की के साथ बात आगे बढ़ी?
मुझे चैट करने के लिए सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना था, कर लूंगा आजकल मैं।
लगता है हमें कुछ करना पड़ेगा सरो यार।
मतलब?
अरे तू सही ऐप नहीं चुन पाया तो सही लड़की कैसे चुनेगा? ले
जीवन साथी।
फ्री चैटिंग ओनली ऑन जीवन साथी।
जीवन साथी डाउनलोड नाउ।
बेटा कोई लड़का पसंद आया?
हाँ, लेकिन उसे ब्रूनो पसंद नहीं आया तो
चैट पे पूछ ले।
चैट फ्री नहीं है।
ओंकार जी आप तो फ्री हो ना?
तू सही ऐप नहीं चुन पाई तो सही लड़का क्या चुनेगी? ले
जीवन साथी।
फ्री चैट करो, कंपैटिबिलिटी चेक करो।
जीवन साथी डाउनलोड नाउ।
Find अपने टाइप का घर on 99 acres. Maximum options of homes in every locality. Download now. Find अपने टाइप का घर on 99 acres. Maximum options for your home search. Download now.
बर्थडे पार्टी से पहले एक फेयरवेल पार्टी हो गई तेरी। सीवी पे कैसा लगेगा?
सीवी का तो पता नहीं, पर बैंक स्टेटमेंट में बढ़िया लगेगा।
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
I know 1 साल भी नहीं हुआ है, but it's over. Your hoodie.
How can you do this to us?
Yeah, no. I have to follow my dreams.
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
बेटा किसी लड़की के साथ बात आगे बढ़ी?
मुझे चैट करने के लिए सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना था, कर लूंगा आजकल मैं।
लगता है हमें कुछ करना पड़ेगा सरो यार।
मतलब?
अरे तू सही ऐप नहीं चुन पाया तो सही लड़की कैसे चुनेगा? ले
जीवन साथी।
फ्री चैटिंग ओनली ऑन जीवन साथी।
जीवन साथी डाउनलोड नाउ।
बेटा कोई लड़का पसंद आया?
हाँ, लेकिन उसे ब्रूनो पसंद नहीं आया तो
चैट पे पूछ ले।
चैट फ्री नहीं है।
ओंकार जी आप तो फ्री हो ना?
तू सही ऐप नहीं चुन पाई तो सही लड़का क्या चुनेगी? ले
जीवन साथी।
फ्री चैट करो, कंपैटिबिलिटी चेक करो।
जीवन साथी डाउनलोड नाउ।
Find अपने टाइप का घर on 99 acres. Maximum options of homes in every locality. Download now. Find अपने टाइप का घर on 99 acres. Maximum options for your home search. Download now.
बर्थडे पार्टी से पहले एक फेयरवेल पार्टी हो गई तेरी। सीवी पे कैसा लगेगा?
सीवी का तो पता नहीं, पर बैंक स्टेटमेंट में बढ़िया लगेगा।
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
I know 1 साल भी नहीं हुआ है, but it's over. Your hoodie.
How can you do this to us?
Yeah, no. I have to follow my dreams.
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
बेटा किसी लड़की के साथ बात आगे बढ़ी?
मुझे चैट करने के लिए सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना था, कर लूंगा आजकल मैं।
लगता है हमें कुछ करना पड़ेगा सरो यार।
मतलब?
अरे तू सही ऐप नहीं चुन पाया तो सही लड़की कैसे चुनेगा? ले
जीवन साथी।
फ्री चैटिंग ओनली ऑन जीवन साथी।
जीवन साथी डाउनलोड नाउ।
बेटा कोई लड़का पसंद आया?
हाँ, लेकिन उसे ब्रूनो पसंद नहीं आया तो
चैट पे पूछ ले।
चैट फ्री नहीं है।
ओंकार जी आप तो फ्री हो ना?
तू सही ऐप नहीं चुन पाई तो सही लड़का क्या चुनेगी? ले
जीवन साथी।
फ्री चैट करो, कंपैटिबिलिटी चेक करो।
जीवन साथी डाउनलोड नाउ।
Find अपने टाइप का घर on 99 acres. Maximum options of homes in every locality. Download now. Find अपने टाइप का घर on 99 acres. Maximum options for your home search. Download now.
बर्थडे पार्टी से पहले ही फेयरवेल पार्टी हो गई तेरी। सीवी पे कैसा लगेगा?
सीवी का तो पता नहीं, बट बैंक स्टेटमेंट में बढ़िया लगेगा।
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
I know 1 साल भी नहीं हुआ है, but it's over. Your hoodie.
How can you do this to us?
Yeah, no. I have to follow my dreams.
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
बेटा किसी लड़की के साथ बात आगे बढ़ी?
मुझे चैट करने के लिए सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना था, कर लूंगा आजकल मैं।
लगता है हमें कुछ करना पड़ेगा सरोया।
मतलब?
अरे तू सही ऐप नहीं चुन पाया तो सही लड़की कैसे चुनेगा? ले
जीवन साथी।
फ्री चैटिंग ओनली ऑन जीवन साथी।
जीवन साथी डाउनलोड नाउ।
बेटा कोई लड़का पसंद आया?
हाँ, लेकिन उसे ब्रूनो पसंद नहीं आया तो?
चैट पे पूछ ले।
चैट फ्री नहीं है।
ओंकार जी आप तो फ्री हो ना?
तू सही ऐप नहीं चुन पाई तो सही लड़का क्या चुनेगी? ले
जीवन साथी।
फ्री चैट करो, कंपैटिबिलिटी चेक करो।
जीवन साथी डाउनलोड नाउ।
Find अपने टाइप का घर on 99 acres. Maximum options of homes in every locality. Download now. Find अपने टाइप का घर on 99 acres. Maximum options for your home search. Download now.
बर्थडे पार्टी से पहले ही फेयरवेल पार्टी हो गई तेरी। सीवी पे कैसा लगेगा?
सीवी का तो पता नहीं, बट बैंक स्टेटमेंट में बढ़िया लगेगा।
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
I know 1 साल भी नहीं हुआ है, but it's over. Your hoodie.
How can you do this to us?
Yeah, no. I have to follow my dreams.
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
बेटा किसी लड़की के साथ बात आगे बढ़ी?
मुझे चैट करने के लिए सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना था, कर लूंगा आजकल मैं।
लगता है हमें कुछ करना पड़ेगा सरोया।
मतलब?
अरे तू सही ऐप नहीं चुन पाया तो सही लड़की कैसे चुनेगा? ले
जीवन साथी।
फ्री चैटिंग ओनली ऑन जीवन साथी।
जीवन साथी डाउनलोड नाउ।
बेटा कोई लड़का पसंद आया?
हाँ, लेकिन उसे ब्रूनो पसंद नहीं आया तो?
चैट पे पूछ ले।
चैट फ्री नहीं है।
ओंकार जी आप तो फ्री हो ना?
तू सही ऐप नहीं चुन पाई तो सही लड़का क्या चुनेगी? ले
जीवन साथी।
फ्री चैट करो, कंपैटिबिलिटी चेक करो।
जीवन साथी डाउनलोड नाउ।
Find अपने टाइप का घर on 99 acres. Maximum options of homes in every locality. Download now. Find अपने टाइप का घर on 99 acres. Maximum options for your home search. Download now.
बर्थडे पार्टी से पहले ही फेयरवेल पार्टी हो गई तेरी। सीवी पे कैसा लगेगा?
सीवी का तो पता नहीं, बट बैंक स्टेटमेंट में बढ़िया लगेगा।
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
I know 1 साल भी नहीं हुआ है, but It's over. Your hoodie.
How can you do this to us?
Yeah, no. I have to follow my dreams.
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
बेटा किसी लड़की के साथ बात आगे बढ़ी?
मुझे चैट करने के लिए सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना था, कर लूंगा आजकल मैं।
लगता है हमें कुछ करना पड़ेगा सरोया।
मतलब
अरे तू सही ऐप नहीं चुन पाया तो सही लड़की कैसे चुनेगा? ले
जीवन साथी।
फ्री चैटिंग ओनली ऑन जीवन साथी।
जीवन साथी डाउनलोड नाउ।
बेटा कोई लड़का पसंद आया?
हाँ लेकिन उसे ब्रूनो पसंद नहीं आया तो
चैट पे पूछ ले।
चैट फ्री नहीं है।
ओंकार जी आप तो फ्री हो ना?
तू सही ऐप नहीं चुन पाई तो सही लड़का क्या चुनेगी? ले
जीवन साथी।
फ्री चैट करो, कंपैटिबिलिटी चेक करो।
जीवन साथी डाउनलोड नाउ।
Find अपने टाइप का घर on 99 acres. Maximum options of homes in every locality. Download now. Find अपने टाइप का घर on 99 acres. Maximum options for your home search. Download now.
बर्थडे पार्टी से पहले ही फेयरवेल पार्टी हो गई तेरी। सीवी पे कैसा लगेगा?
सीवी का तो पता नहीं, पर बैंक स्टेटमेंट में बढ़िया लगेगा।
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
I know एक साल भी नहीं हुआ है, but it's over. Your hoodie.
How can you do this to us?
Yeah, no. I have to follow my dreams.
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
बेटा किसी लड़की के साथ बात आगे बढ़ी?
मुझे चैट करने के लिए सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना था, कर लूंगा आजकल मैं।
लगता है हमें कुछ करना पड़ेगा सरोया।
मतलब
अरे तू सही ऐप नहीं चुन पाया तो सही लड़की कैसे चुनेगा? ले
जीवन साथी।
फ्री चैटिंग ओनली ऑन जीवन साथी।
जीवन साथी डाउनलोड नाउ।
बेटा कोई लड़का पसंद आया?
हाँ लेकिन उसे ब्रूनो पसंद नहीं आया तो
चैट पे पूछ ले।
चैट फ्री नहीं है।
ओंकार जी आप तो फ्री हो ना?
तू सही ऐप नहीं चुन पाई तो सही लड़का क्या चुनेगी? ले
जीवन साथी।
फ्री चैट करो, कंपैटिबिलिटी चेक करो।
जीवन साथी डाउनलोड नाउ।
Find अपने टाइप का घर on 99 acres. Maximum options of homes in every locality. Download now. Find अपने टाइप का घर on 99 acres. Maximum options for your home search. Download now.
बर्थडे पार्टी से पहले ही फेयरवेल पार्टी हो गई तेरी। सीवी पे कैसा लगेगा?
सीवी का तो पता नहीं, पर बैंक स्टेटमेंट में बढ़िया लगेगा।
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
I know एक साल भी नहीं हुआ है, but it's over. Your hoodie.
How can you do this to us?
Yeah, no. I have to follow my dreams.
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
बेटा किसी लड़की के साथ बात आगे बढ़ी?
मुझे चैट करने के लिए सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना था, कर लूंगा आजकल मैं।
लगता है हमें कुछ करना पड़ेगा सरोया।
मतलब
अरे तू सही ऐप नहीं चुन पाया तो सही लड़की कैसे चुनेगा? ले
जीवन साथी।
फ्री चैटिंग ओनली ऑन जीवन साथी।
जीवन साथी डाउनलोड नाउ।
बेटा कोई लड़का पसंद आया?
हाँ लेकिन उसे ब्रूनो पसंद नहीं आया तो
चैट पे पूछ ले।
चैट फ्री नहीं है।
ओंकार जी आप तो फ्री हो ना?
तू सही ऐप नहीं चुन पाई तो सही लड़का क्या चुनेगी? ले
जीवन साथी।
फ्री चैट करो, कंपैटिबिलिटी चेक करो।
जीवन साथी डाउनलोड नाउ।
Find अपने टाइप का घर on 99 acres. Maximum options of homes in every locality. Download now. Find अपने टाइप का घर on 99 acres. Maximum options for your home search. Download now.
बर्थडे पार्टी से पहले ही फेयरवेल पार्टी हुई तेरी। सीवी पे कैसा लगेगा?
सीवी का तो पता नहीं, बट बैंक स्टेटमेंट में बढ़िया लगेगा।
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
I know 1 साल भी नहीं हुआ है, but it's over. Your hoodie.
How can you do this to us?
Yeah, no. I have to follow my dreams.
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
बेटा किसी लड़की के साथ बात आगे बढ़ी?
मुझे चैट करने के लिए सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना था, कर लूंगा आजकल में।
लगता है हमें कुछ करना पड़ेगा सरोया।
मतलब?
अरे तू सही ऐप नहीं चुन पाया तो सही लड़की कैसे चुनेगा? ले
जीवन साथी।
फ्री चैटिंग ओनली ऑन जीवन साथी।
जीवन साथी डाउनलोड नाउ।
बेटा कोई लड़का पसंद आया?
हाँ, लेकिन उसे ब्रूनो पसंद नहीं आया तो?
चैट पे पूछ ले।
चैट फ्री नहीं है।
ओंकार जी आप तो फ्री हो ना?
तू सही ऐप नहीं चुन पाई तो सही लड़का क्या चुनेगी? ले
जीवन साथी।
फ्री चैट करो, कंपैटिबिलिटी चेक करो।
जीवन साथी डाउनलोड नाउ।
Find अपने टाइप का घर on 99 acres. Maximum options of homes in every locality. Download now. Find अपने टाइप का घर on 99 acres. Maximum options for your home search. Download now.
बर्थडे पार्टी से पहले ही फेयरवेल पार्टी हुई तेरी। सीवी पे कैसा लगेगा?
सीवी का तो पता नहीं, बट बैंक स्टेटमेंट में बढ़िया लगेगा।
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
I know 1 साल भी नहीं हुआ है, but it's over. Your hoodie.
How can you do this to us?
Yeah, no. I have to follow my dreams.
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
बेटा किसी लड़की के साथ बात आगे बढ़ी?
मुझे चैट करने के लिए सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना था, कर लूंगा आजकल में।
लगता है हमें कुछ करना पड़ेगा सरोया।
मतलब?
अरे तू सही ऐप नहीं चुन पाया तो सही लड़की कैसे चुनेगा? ले
जीवन साथी।
फ्री चैटिंग ओनली ऑन जीवन साथी।
जीवन साथी डाउनलोड नाउ।
बेटा कोई लड़का पसंद आया?
हाँ, लेकिन उसे ब्रूनो पसंद नहीं आया तो?
चैट पे पूछ ले।
चैट फ्री नहीं है।
ओंकार जी आप तो फ्री हो ना?
तू सही ऐप नहीं चुन पाई तो सही लड़का क्या चुनेगी? ले
जीवन साथी।
फ्री चैट करो, कंपैटिबिलिटी चेक करो।
जीवन साथी डाउनलोड नाउ।
Find अपने टाइप का घर on 99 acres. Maximum options of homes in every locality. Download now. Find अपने टाइप का घर on 99 acres. Maximum options for your home search. Download now.
बर्थडे पार्टी से पहले ही फेयरवेल पार्टी हुई तेरी। सीवी पे कैसा लगेगा?
सीवी का तो पता नहीं, बट बैंक स्टेटमेंट में बढ़िया लगेगा।
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
I know 1 साल भी नहीं हुआ है, but it's over. Your hoodie.
How can you do this to us?
Yeah, no. I have to follow my dreams.
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
बेटा किसी लड़की के साथ बात आगे बढ़ी?
मुझे चैट करने के लिए सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना था, कर लूंगा आजकल मैं।
लगता है हमें कुछ करना पड़ेगा सुनो यार।
मतलब
अरे तू सही ऐप नहीं चुन पाया तो सही लड़की कैसे चुनेगा? ले
जीवन साथी।
फ्री चैटिंग ओनली ऑन जीवन साथी।
जीवन साथी डाउनलोड नाउ।
बेटा कोई लड़का पसंद आया?
हाँ लेकिन उसे ब्रूनो पसंद नहीं आया तो
चैट पे पूछ ले।
चैट फ्री नहीं है।
ओंकार जी आप तो फ्री हो ना?
तू सही ऐप नहीं चुन पाई तो सही लड़का क्या चुनेगी? ले
जीवन साथी।
फ्री चैट करो, कंपैटिबिलिटी चेक करो।
जीवन साथी डाउनलोड नाउ।
Find अपने टाइप का घर on 99 acres. Maximum options of homes in every locality. Download now. Find अपने टाइप का घर on 99 acres. Maximum options for your home search. Download now.
बर्थडे पार्टी से पहले ही फेयरवेल पार्टी हो गई तेरी। सीवी पे कैसा लगेगा?
सीवी का तो पता नहीं, पर बैंक स्टेटमेंट में बढ़िया लगेगा।
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
I know एक साल भी नहीं हुआ है but it's over. Your hoodie.
How can you do this to us?
Yeah, no. I have to follow my dreams.
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
बेटा किसी लड़की के साथ बात आगे बढ़ी?
मुझे चैट करने के लिए सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना था, कर लूंगा आजकल मैं।
लगता है हमें कुछ करना पड़ेगा सुनो यार।
मतलब
अरे तू सही ऐप नहीं चुन पाया तो सही लड़की कैसे चुनेगा? ले
जीवन साथी।
फ्री चैटिंग ओनली ऑन जीवन साथी।
जीवन साथी डाउनलोड नाउ।
बेटा कोई लड़का पसंद आया?
हाँ लेकिन उसे ब्रूनो पसंद नहीं आया तो
चैट पे पूछ ले।
चैट फ्री नहीं है।
ओंकार जी आप तो फ्री हो ना?
तू सही ऐप नहीं चुन पाई तो सही लड़का क्या चुनेगी? ले
जीवन साथी।
फ्री चैट करो, कंपैटिबिलिटी चेक करो।
जीवन साथी डाउनलोड नाउ।
Find अपने टाइप का घर on 99 acres. Maximum options of homes in every locality. Download now. Find अपने टाइप का घर on 99 acres. Maximum options for your home search. Download now.
बर्थडे पार्टी से पहले ही फेयरवेल पार्टी हो गई तेरी। सीवी पे कैसा लगेगा?
सीवी का तो पता नहीं, पर बैंक स्टेटमेंट में बढ़िया लगेगा।
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
I know एक साल भी नहीं हुआ है but it's over. Your hoodie.
How can you do this to us?
Yeah, no. I have to follow my dreams.
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
बेटा किसी लड़की के साथ बात आगे बढ़ी?
मुझे चैट करने के लिए सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना था, कर लूंगा आजकल मैं।
लगता है हमें कुछ करना पड़ेगा सुनो यार।
मतलब
अरे तू सही ऐप नहीं चुन पाया तो सही लड़की कैसे चुनेगा? ले
जीवन साथी।
फ्री चैटिंग ओनली ऑन जीवन साथी।
जीवन साथी डाउनलोड नाउ।
बेटा कोई लड़का पसंद आया?
हाँ लेकिन उसे ब्रूनो पसंद नहीं आया तो
चैट पे पूछ ले।
चैट फ्री नहीं है।
ओंकार जी आप तो फ्री हो ना?
तू सही ऐप नहीं चुन पाई तो सही लड़का क्या चुनेगी? ले
जीवन साथी।
फ्री चैट करो, कंपैटिबिलिटी चेक करो।
जीवन साथी डाउनलोड नाउ।
Find अपने टाइप का घर on 99 acres. Maximum options of homes in every locality. Download now. Find अपने टाइप का घर on 99 acres. Maximum options for your home search. Download now.
बर्थडे पार्टी से पहले ही फेयरवेल पार्टी हुई तेरी। सीवी पे कैसा लगेगा?
सीवी का तो पता नहीं, बट बैंक स्टेटमेंट में बढ़िया लगेगा।
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
I know 1 साल भी नहीं हुआ है, but it's over. Your hoodie.
How can you do this to us?
Yeah, no. I have to follow my dreams.
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
बेटा किसी लड़की के साथ बात आगे बढ़ी?
मुझे चैट करने के लिए सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना था, कर लूंगा आजकल मैं।
लगता है हमें कुछ करना पड़ेगा सरोया।
मतलब?
अरे तू सही ऐप नहीं चुन पाया तो सही लड़की कैसे चुनेगा? ले
जीवन साथी।
फ्री चैटिंग ओनली ऑन जीवन साथी।
जीवन साथी डाउनलोड नाउ।
बेटा कोई लड़का पसंद आया?
हाँ, लेकिन उसे ब्रूनो पसंद नहीं आया तो?
चैट पे पूछ ले।
चैट फ्री नहीं है।
ओंकार जी आप तो फ्री हो ना?
तू सही ऐप नहीं चुन पाई तो सही लड़का क्या चुनेगी? ले
जीवन साथी।
फ्री चैट करो, कंपैटिबिलिटी चेक करो।
जीवन साथी डाउनलोड नाउ।
Find अपने टाइप का घर on 99 acres. Maximum options of homes in every locality. Download now. Find अपने टाइप का घर on 99 acres. Maximum options for your home search. Download now.
बर्थडे पार्टी से पहले ही फेयरवेल पार्टी हुई तेरी। सीवी पे कैसा लगेगा?
सीवी का तो पता नहीं, बट बैंक स्टेटमेंट में बढ़िया लगेगा।
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
I know 1 साल भी नहीं हुआ है, but it's over. Your hoodie.
How can you do this to us?
Yeah, no. I have to follow my dreams.
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
बेटा किसी लड़की के साथ बात आगे बढ़ी?
मुझे चैट करने के लिए सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना था, कर लूंगा आजकल मैं।
लगता है हमें कुछ करना पड़ेगा सरोया।
मतलब?
अरे तू सही ऐप नहीं चुन पाया तो सही लड़की कैसे चुनेगा? ले
जीवन साथी।
फ्री चैटिंग ओनली ऑन जीवन साथी।
जीवन साथी डाउनलोड नाउ।
बेटा कोई लड़का पसंद आया?
हाँ, लेकिन उसे ब्रूनो पसंद नहीं आया तो?
चैट पे पूछ ले।
चैट फ्री नहीं है।
ओंकार जी आप तो फ्री हो ना?
तू सही ऐप नहीं चुन पाई तो सही लड़का क्या चुनेगी? ले
जीवन साथी।
फ्री चैट करो, कंपैटिबिलिटी चेक करो।
जीवन साथी डाउनलोड नाउ।
Find अपने टाइप का घर on 99 acres. Maximum options of homes in every locality. Download now. Find अपने टाइप का घर on 99 acres. Maximum options for your home search. Download now.
बर्थडे पार्टी से पहले ही फेयरवेल पार्टी हुई तेरी। सीवी पे कैसा लगेगा?
सीवी का तो पता नहीं, बट बैंक स्टेटमेंट में बढ़िया लगेगा।
We get it. All's fair when you love your career.
I know 1 साल भी नहीं हुआ है, but it's over. Your hoodie.
How can you do this to us?
Yeah, no. I have to follow my dreams.
Over to you, Jaya. Good evening, everyone. I am Jaya Bhatia, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer of InfoEdge India Limited. I welcome you to the 31st Annual General Meeting of the company, being held today on Tuesday, August 25, 2026 at 5:30 p.m. IST through video conferencing. On behalf of the members present at this meeting, I extend a warm welcome to our Chairman, Mr. Kapil Kapoor, the members of the Board of Directors, and other senior officials present at this meeting. I now request Mr. Kapil Kapoor, Chairman of the company, who is presiding over this meeting from Hong Kong, to kindly commence the proceedings by addressing the members. Over to you, sir.
Thanks, Jaya. A very good evening to all our members, fellow board members, and other stakeholders present at the meeting. I'm Kapil Kapoor, as Jaya mentioned, the non-executive chairman of the company. And on behalf of the board, I warmly welcome you all to the 31st Annual General Meeting of InfoEdge India Limited. I trust you and your families are keeping well. Pursuant to the applicable circulars issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, this annual general meeting is being conducted through video conferencing facility. Participation of members through video conference is being reckoned for the purpose of quorum in accordance with the applicable provision of the Companies Act 2013 and the relevant MCA circulars. Since the requisite quorum is present, I call this meeting to order. And before we commence the proceedings, I would like to introduce my fellow members of the board and the officials of the company who are present at the meeting. First, Mr. Sanjeev Bikhchandani, Executive Vice Chairman, joining from Gurugram. Mr. Hitesh Oberoi, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, joining from Noida. Mr. Sanjeev Satchar, Independent Director and Chairman of the Audit Committee, joining from Gurugram.
Hi.
Ms. Geeta Mathur, Independent Director and the Chairperson of the Stakeholders Relationship Committee, Corporate Social Responsibility Committee, and Risk Management Committee, joining from Delhi. Mr. Rajesh Mago, Independent Director and Chairman of the Nomination and Remuneration Committee, joining from Gurugram. And Ms. Radha Rajappa, Independent Director of the company, joining from Bengaluru. We also have Mr. Amrish Raghuvanshi, Interim Chief Financial Officer of the company, joining from Noida. In compliance with the requirements of the Secretarial Standards on General Meetings, the representatives of the statutory auditors and the secretarial auditors are also present at the meeting through video conferencing. Ms. Rabab Zaidi, Assistant Company Secretary, is also joining us on the panel along with other key executives of the company who are attending the meeting from their respective locations. I now request our Company Secretary, Ms. Jaya Bhatia, to brief the members on the arrangements being made at the 31st AGM.
Thank you, sir. Before I take you through the arrangements for the AGM, I would like to inform the members that the proceedings of this meeting are being recorded for compliance purposes. During the meeting, members will remain on mute and may unmute themselves when called upon during the Q&A session. The company has provided the members with the facility to participate in the 31st AGM through video conferencing. The facility for joining the meeting through video conference is available on first come, first served basis. The meeting is also being webcast live as mentioned in the AGM notice. The proceedings of this AGM shall be deemed to have been conducted at the registered office of the company. The register of directors and key managerial personnel and their shareholding, the register of contracts or arrangements in which directors are interested, and other documents referred to in the AGM notice have been made available electronically for inspection during the AGM. Members wishing to inspect any of these documents may send their request to investors@Naukri.com and can also access the documents through NSDL e-voting system. As the AGM is conducted through video conferencing, the facility for appointment of proxies is not applicable, and accordingly, the proxy register is not available for inspection. The company has received requests from members to register as speakers at this AGM. Accordingly, the floor will be open for such members to ask questions, express their views, or provide suggestions during the Q&A session. Depending on the time available, the company may limit the number of members who are able to speak during the session. Members may also post their questions or views through communication box appearing on the screen. They may also send their queries to investors@Naukri.com and the company will respond within 15 days. The company has provided an electronic voting facility in respect of all resolutions set forth in the AGM notice. Members who have not cast their vote through remote e-voting and are participating in this meeting will have an opportunity to cast their votes electronically during the meeting through e-voting facility provided by NSDL. We request members not to disclose any personal or personally identifiable information relating to themselves or any other person that is not relevant for the proceedings of this meeting. The recorded video of the proceedings will be made available on the company's website, and the transcript of the AGM will also be uploaded on the website of the company.
Thanks, Jaya. The company has taken all the feasible efforts to enable the members to participate through video conference and to vote on the items being considered at the meeting. Before we take up items as per the AGM notice, let me present to you the key highlights of the performance of the company for the financial year 2025-2026. Dear shareholders, the financial year 26 was a year of continued progress for InfoEdge. We stayed focused on execution, strengthened our businesses, and invested in the platforms and capabilities that will shape our future. We remained committed to rewarding shareholders while investing for growth. During the year, we increased the dividend payout by 40% year-on-year to rupees 840 per share, taking our dividend payout ratio to around 50% of standalone PAT. We also revised our dividend distribution policy, raising the target payout to up to 65% of standalone PAT. This reflects our confidence in the strength and cash generative nature of our businesses while maintaining a disciplined approach to capital allocation. Turning to the broader environment, India continued to demonstrate resilience supported by healthy domestic demand and sound economic fundamentals. The IMF has projected India's real GDP growth at 6.4% for the financial year 26 and 6.7% for the financial year 27. India's digital economy continues to expand, supported by rising internet penetration and greater formalization. This provides a favorable long-term environment for InfoEdge. With well-established brands and leadership across recruitment, real estate, matchmaking, and education, we remain well-positioned to benefit from India's continuing digital transformation. One of the most significant changes shaping our business today is the rapid evolution of artificial intelligence. AI is changing how people search, discover, decide, and transact, and is likely to transform the way businesses operate across industries. For InfoEdge, which serves career aspirations, housing choices, and personal milestones of millions of Indians, adopting AI responsibly is both an opportunity and a responsibility. Importantly, we do not believe that AI simply displaces the platforms that exist today. Rather, we believe trusted platforms with strong brands, proprietary data, and deep domain expertise can become the channels through which AI creates value for customers. As foundation models become more widely available, we believe differentiation will increasingly come from three things: proprietary data, deep domain expertise, and the ability to embed intelligence into real customer workflows. These are areas where InfoEdge has built significant capability over more than 2 decades. Every search, application, inquiry, and successful match on our platform generates valuable data. This helps us better understand our customers and improve the recommendation and experiences we provide, which in turn attracts more users and generates richer data. AI can strengthen this existing flywheel across our businesses. We began investing in AI and machine learning early. Over the years, we have built a substantial AI capability, and financial year 26 marked an important stage in translating these investments into tangible outcomes. A good example is AI RECs, our agentic AI-powered recruitment platform. AI RECs uses multiple AI agents across the hiring workflow, from refining a recruitment mandate and identifying relevant candidates to personalized outreach, screening, and qualification. In effect, it helps recruiters build high-quality candidate pipelines more efficiently, enabling them to focus more on the decisions that matter. AI Rex is now live with more than 4,000 enterprise customers, with over 400 converted into paid clients. Another example there is Talent Pulse, our AI-powered talent intelligence platform, which provides companies with insights around compensation intelligence, talent planning, and competitor benchmarking. Talent Pulse now serves more than 600 paid customers, and its insights are built on the depth and scale of Naukri's own recruitment data. We are also leveraging AI to transform the job seeker experience, helping candidates discover relevant opportunities, building stronger resumes, and prepare better for interviews. Today, 270,000 AI-powered resumes are downloaded, and 130,000 AI-powered mock interviews are completed every month. Products such as Neo, Naukri's 360s, AI Resume Builder, and Live AI Interviewer are driving deeper engagement, increasing paid penetration, and improving the online mix for B2C revenue. Together, these applications illustrate how we are using AI on both sides of the recruitment marketplace, helping employers hire more effectively while helping candidates discover better opportunities. We are also applying these capabilities across our other businesses. At 99 Acres, for example, AI is improving property discovery and recommendations, while generative AI is being used for listing creation and property videos. These initiatives are enriching consumer experience and reinforcing the platform's growing traffic leadership. On Jeevansathi, fully AI-driven recommendations have increased daily profile acceptances, and AI-powered pricing has improved monetization. Our AI ecosystem now includes more than 130 data science and machine learning professionals and over 800 proprietary AI models. We invested approximately 700 million in AI during the financial year 26 and expect this investment to increase to around 1.5 billion in the financial year 27. Turning to our operating businesses, our recruitment business sustained its leadership despite a measured hiring environment. Premium hiring continues to emerge as an important growth opportunity, supported by platforms such as Naukri, Top Tier, IM Jobs, HireRisk, and the recently launched Premium X for enterprises. On the job seeker side, Naukri now hosts approximately 118 million resumes and around 13 million monthly active users. The transition towards Naukri 360 has significantly increased the share of online revenue, while Naukri Gulf continues to grow profitably. JobHai, our blue-collar recruitment platform, moved from validation to scale up during the year. The business is scaling rapidly, and we believe it represents a significant long-term opportunity for us. Overall, recruitment remained a highly profitable and a cash-generative business, with standalone billings growing 10% to rupees 23,743 million and revenue increasing 13.8% to 22,559 million rupees. 99 Acres had a particularly good year and established clear traffic leadership. Its share of web traffic time increased from 32% in June 2024 to 51% by March 2026, while the platform now has more than 1.3 million listings and over 97,000 customers. Billings grew 10% to rupees 4,971 million, and revenue increased 18.8% to rupees 4,881 million. With the major investment phase now behind us, we believe that the business is well positioned to benefit from operating leverage as growth continues. Matchmaking also continued to make rapid progress. Jeevansathi maintained its focus on Hindi-speaking markets, where it leads in daily logged-in users and has a 45% plus female profile share. Billings grew 28.5% to rupees 1,424 million, and revenue increased 25.9% to 1,383 million. Together with IL, we now own fully our matchmaking portfolio. IL, which we own fully, our matchmaking portfolio recorded billings of about rupees 1,817 million, representing a growth of 28.7%, while operating losses reduced by almost half. Shiksha operates in a more challenging environment. AI-generated search summaries affected organic traffic, while tighter visa policies weighed on study abroad demand in some of our key Western markets. We are diversifying towards emerging destinations, such as continental Europe and the UAE, while moving towards a more counseling-led model. We believe this evolution can create significantly larger opportunity over time, even as the business navigates near-term headwinds. Beyond our operating businesses, we continue to build our investment platform. We deploy a portion of healthy cash flows generated by our businesses into technology-led startups, primarily in India as a financial investor. Our philosophy remains straightforward. Identify exceptional founders early, invest before consensus forms, and remain invested for the long term. During the financial year 26, our AIF platform was expanded with 3 new schemes, i.e. Venture Investment Fund 3, B8 Fund 1, and A88 Fund 1, taking the total corpus of our AIF portfolio to approximately 50 billion rupees. Our financial investment portfolio across our balance sheet and AIFs now spans 135 companies across areas including AI, deep tech, consumer tech, and SaaS, with total deployed capital of approximately 49 billion. Our early investments in Eternal, formerly known as Zomato, and PB Fintech have delivered healthy returns, giving us confidence in the continued value creation potential of this platform. Bluestone, Ixigo, and ShipRocket from our AIF portfolio have also gone public, further demonstrating the value creation potential of our investment platform. From an overall InfoEdge financial performance perspective, financial year 26 was another year of strong execution. Standalone billings grew 10.3% year-on-year to rupees 31,775 million, while revenue increased 15% to rupees 30,520 million. Operating PBT grew 16.9% to 11,377 million, with an operating PBT margin of 37.3%. Cash generated from operations before taxes stood at 14,693 million rupees. As of March 31, 26, our standalone cash balance, including wholly owned subsidiaries, stood at rupees 49,632 million. Overall, financial year 26 was a year of consistent delivery across our portfolio. Recruitment sustained its leadership and profitability. 99acres established traffic leadership. Matchmaking continued to grow rapidly and move closer to profitability, while Shiksha continued to adapt to a changing environment. Across all our businesses, we also embedded AI more deeply into our products, customer experiences, and internal operations. As we look ahead, we believe the next phase of growth will be shaped by evolving customer needs, increasing digital adoption, premiumization, and above all, the rapid advancement of AI. Our objective is not simply to respond to these changes, but to stay ahead of them. Building for the future means investing with conviction today, while allocating capital with discipline, so that we can grow faster than the markets in which we operate. We have robust businesses, trusted brands, proprietary data, deep domain expertise, and a strong culture of innovation. We believe these strengths position us well for the next phase of our journey. I would like to sincerely thank all our shareholders for their continued trust and confidence in InfoEdge. I would also like to thank our employees whose talent, energy, and commitment remain the true engine of everything we build, and to our customers, partners, and the communities we serve. Thank you for your continued confidence in us. We remain optimistic about the opportunities ahead and committed to creating sustainable long-term value for all our stakeholders. Thank you very much. Now I further request the company secretary to take us through the regulatory matters, providing general instructions pertaining to the AGM and present the resolutions as set forth in the notice.
Sure, sir. The notice of the 31st Annual General Meeting and the annual report containing the audited financial statements, including the consolidated financial statements for the year ended March 31, 2026, and directors and the auditors' reports thereon, have been sent by electronic mode to those members whose email addresses are registered with the company or with the depositories. These documents have also been made available on the company's website. Further, the company has sent a letter to shareholders whose email addresses are not registered with the company or depository participants or registrar and share transfer agent of the company, providing the web link and the QR code from where the annual report can be accessed on the company's website. In addition, physical copies of the annual report have been sent to the members who have requested for the same. Considering the above, with your permission, the notice is being taken as read. Further, the auditor's report on the standalone and the consolidated financial statements and the secretarial audit report of the company for financial year ended 31st March 2026 do not contain any qualification, reservation, adverse remark, or disclaimer. Accordingly, these reports are not required to be read out as provided under Companies Act 2013. The statutory auditors' reports on standalone and consolidated financial statements, respectively, are available on page number 242 and 320 of the annual report FY26. The secretarial audit report is enclosed as Annexure 3 to the director's report on page number 187 of this year's annual report. Further, we are pleased to bring to your notice that as required under the Companies Act 2013, the company has provided you the facility to cast your vote electronically on all the resolutions set forth in the notice. The remote e-voting period for this purpose had commenced on Friday, August 21, 2026 at 9 a.m. and ended on Monday, August 24, 2026 at 5 p.m. During this period, shareholders of the company holding shares either in the physical form or in the demat form, as on the cutoff date of Tuesday, August 18, 2026, were able to cast their votes electronically. Members who have not yet cast their vote electronically and are participating in this meeting will have an opportunity to cast their vote through e-voting facility provided by NSDL. Members may please note that there will be no voting by show of hands. Now, with the permission of the chairman, I would like to present the resolution as set forth in this notice. We will open the floor for any questions by members after all the resolutions are tabled. Item number 1 of the notice for your consideration relates to adoption of audited standalone and consolidated financial statements of the company for the financial year ended on March 31, 2026, together with the reports of the Board of Directors and auditors thereon. Item number 2 of the notice for your consideration relates to declaration of final dividend of rupees 3.06 per equity share of rupees 2 each and confirmation of the payment of 2 interim dividends of rupees 2.40 each per equity share of rupees 2 each already paid for FY26. Item number 3 for your consideration is to reappoint Mr. Kapil Kapoor, who retires by rotation and being eligible offers himself for reappointment. The text of the resolution is provided in the notice circulated to the members. Item number 4 for your consideration is to appoint branch auditors and fix their remuneration. The text of the resolution is provided in notice circulated to the members. Item number 5 for your consideration is to appoint Ms. Radha Rajappa as director to be designated as non-executive independent director of the company. The text of the resolution is provided in notice circulated to the members. Item number 6 for your consideration is to appoint Mr. Rajesh Mago as director to be designated as a non-executive independent director of the company. The text of the resolution is provided in notice circulated to the members. Now we proceed towards the Q&A session, for which I'll quickly share a few guidelines. We'll request the pre-registered shareholders to ask their questions one by one. Members are requested to unmute their microphone on their names being called before speaking, and they may also enable their webcam if they wish to appear on the video. Members are requested to mention their name and location. Each shareholder will have 2 minutes for their queries in order to give opportunity to all the pre-registered shareholders. Once you have asked a question, you can mute yourself and continue to watch the proceedings. To avoid repetition, the answers to all the questions will be provided by the management towards the end. Members may also note that the company reserves the right to limit the number of members asking questions depending on the availability of the time, and those members who are unable to speak due to connectivity issues would be allowed to speak once other members have been given a chance to speak. I now request Swapnil, our moderator, to begin the Q&A session with the members who have pre-registered themselves as speaker to ask questions, express their views, give suggestions, or make inquiries regarding the operations and financial performance of the company. Over to you, Swapnil.
Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now begin with the question and answer session. We'll take our first question from speaker number 1, Mr. Gagan Kumar. Yes, Mr. Kumar, please go ahead.
Good evening, Mr. Chairman, Board of Directors, and fellow shareholders. Myself, Gagan Kumar. I am joining this meeting from Delhi. First of all, I would like to mention that I had requested for a hard copy of annual report, which I received well in time, and I am very happy to share that I do not have any question pertaining to accounts, as each and every aspects of balance sheet is very much clear and in easy to understand language. So my one or two journal queries for today's AGM is there any possibility of a demerger of the company based on its core business? And my second question is, can you please share an update on the blue collar platform? These two questions of mine for today's AGM, and it would be very unfair on my part without mentioning higher corporate governance under the leadership of our CFO, CS, and entire secretarial team, and the men behind the show. Mr. Kumar, I must say, the darling of the shareholder. So, who connected with every shareholder and take care of all the members. So, Mr. Kapoor, may I request you to kindly you give blessing to Mr. Kumar for today's successful event after the AGM being done, and hope to see more healthy growth in this company, as we are a very proud shareholder of this company, sir. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Absolutely. Thank you, Mr. Gagan Kumar, and good to see you again.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kumar. We'll take our next question now. We have speaker number 2, Mr. Himanshu Trivedi. Mr. Trivedi, please accept the prompt that we have sent on your screen. Yes, now you can unmute your microphone and camera both, please.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, please.
Yeah, good evening, all of you. Respected Chairman Kapil Kapoor, other board of directors sitting by myself, Himanshu Trivedi from Gujarat, Vadodara. First of all, I'm thankful to our company secretary Jaya Bhatia, who is be sending the stop even the hard copy of the AGM notice well in advance, which is full of information, fact figure place, which is easy to follow, easy to understand. So I'm thankful to you and your entire secretary. Report is nicely prepared. All corporate governor or parameter are covered in the AGM notice a page of 415 pages. So I don't have much question because I have full faith on board and they're working. I have already sent my question and query to the email well in advance with the save the time of AGM, give the opportunity to speak my rest speaker shareholder. And still as a speaker, I have a few questions, sir. Is our company is development of AI version? If yes, how you are using day to day end user or our own use, which is going to solve our daily needs? My second query, what is the market share we have in domestic as well in international market? My second query, what would be profit sharing ratio coming financial year? I wish good luck and bright future for coming financial year and coming festival. Thank you to allow me to speak.
I'm
Sir,
sorry, Himanshu, can you just repeat the second question?
Mr. Trivedi, if you are able to hear us, can you repeat your second question, please? Please unmute your microphone so that you can go ahead.
My second, what would be profit sharing ratio coming financial year? Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Trivedi. Our speaker number 3, Ms. H.S. Patel, has registered. However, she has not joined the meeting. Hence, now we will move to speaker number 4. We have Subhash Kar. Mr. Kar, please unmute your microphone and camera both so that we can hear and see you. Please go ahead, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, Mr. Kar.
Hello. Thank you. Good evening. Namaskar. Respected Chairman, sir. Esteemed members of the Board of Director and fellow shareholders. I am Subhash Kaur joining from Kolkata. First of all, Chairman, sir, thank you for your outstanding speech, which was both enlightening and encouraging for the shareholders. Congratulations to the Chairman, sir, the Board of Director and the entire management team for delivering strong revenue growth, maintaining a Naukri leadership, strengthen 99-acre market position, and continuing the company's excellent dividend track record and making a meaningful social impact through its CSR initiative focused on education, skill development. I wish the company continues success in the year ahead. Sir, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our highly experienced company secretary, Madam Jaya Bhatia, and the entire investor relation team for their outstanding support and excellent investor service. That I strongly support all the resolution passed to remote voting. Sir, I have one question. The company has successfully created significant value through investment in companies such as Eternal and PV FinTech going forward. What will be key focus area for new investment, particularly in AI and deep tech startup? And how does management plan to balance investment return with the growth need of the core operating business? That's all from my side. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Mr. Kar.
Thank you. We'll take our next question now. We have speaker number 5, Jasmeet Singh. Please unmute your microphone and camera both so that we can hear you.
Hello.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, thank you. Good evening, everyone attending the call today. First of all, thank you, Company Secretary Ms. Bhatia and her teammate Kumar to allow me to interact with you all today. Chairman, sir, I am very happy for the excellent results and growth shown in the year under review. I appreciate your opening note. It was very informative, sir. Additionally, your letter to us shareholder in June with updated operations. Sir, it was highly appreciated. I just want to know that a rough time frame, financial year 27 or financial year 28 or beyond for 99 acres to achieve sustainable profitability. Sir, second question is that with nearly 5,000 crore of cash and investments, what is the board's capital allocation framework between acquisitions, startup investments, dividends, and buybacks? That's all from my side. I support all your resolutions. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Mr. Singh.
Thank you. We'll now move to our speaker number 6. We have Mr. Sushil Arora. Mr. Arora, we are waiting for your response. If you can please accept the prompt. Yes, thank you. Now you can unmute your connections.
Hello.
Yes, please
मेरी
go
आवाज
ahead.
आ रही है?
Yes.
Respected Chairman, Board of Directors and fellow shareholders, मेरा सबको नमस्कार। मुझे आपने AGM में बोलने का मौका दिया उसके लिए धन्यवाद। और इन्फोएज अपने आप में एक बड़ा नाम है जिससे सबको नौकरी के लिए या Naukri.com एक बड़ा फेमस ब्रांड है जिसके वजह से बच्चे अपना जॉब के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। और मेरा ये कहना है कि इससे आने वाले टाइम में एआई से क्या फर्क पड़ेगा, और अगले जो 2-3 साल में हमारा क्या प्लान है। और मैं सारे रेजोल्यूशन का तहे दिल से फेवर करती हूँ, समर्थन करती हूँ। और मेरा जो भी आपने चेयरमैन साहब ने जो स्पीच ये बहुत इंफॉर्मेटिव थी, उन्हें काफी अच्छा बताया है, नॉलेजेबल है। और हमारे फेलो शेयर होल्डर ने भी अच्छे क्वेश्चन किए। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ms. Arora. We'll take our next question now. Speaker number 7, Mr. Kaushik Shahukar, has registered. However, he has not joined the meeting. Hence, we will move to our speaker number 8. We have Chandrajit. Please unmute your microphone and go ahead.
Am I audible?
Yes, please.
Good evening to Chairman Sir, the Board of Directors, and my co-shareholders, myself, Chandrajit, joining from Delhi. Before I proceed, I would like to give a special thanks to our CS JMM and the whole secretarial team for giving me a chance, and especially Kumar Saab for giving such a wonderful platform for speaking and interact with the management. So after going through the annual report and the chairman's sir's speech, there is hardly a question left on the accounts and the performance of the company. However, I would like to ask, is there any value unlocking for the InfoEdge shareholders in the near future? And second, is AI any threat for our business? Or AI is how we can, if it is not threat, then how we can capitalize on it? Because in the past few years, we have seen a very large value unlocking like Zomato, now name changed to Eternal, Policy Bazaar, Bluestone even. So there is a wonderful return we have received from our investment. So lastly, I would like to thank again the whole secretarial team, especially Kumar Saab, for giving a wonderful platform and supporting us. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Mr. Chandrajit.
Thank you. We'll now move to speaker number 9. We have Shashi Jain. Please unmute your camera and microphone so that we can hear and see you. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Yes.
Very good evening, Chairman Sir, Board of Directors, and my co-fellow shareholders. I, Shashi Jain, attending the AGM from Delhi. I am thankful to the management and secretarial department for providing me opportunity to express my views. First of all, I thanks to our Chairman Sir for excellent speech regarding company's performance. I am very happy to see the business growth of the company. I also thanks to the company secretary Jaya Bhadri ma'am and Kumar sir, entire team to help me to join the meeting on VC Porter. On my single request, I received a hard copy of annual report well in time. Most of my queries cover under Chairman sir's speech and also raised by previous shareholders. I support all the resolutions, but my question is consider for bonus or split the shares. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much, Ms. Jain.
Thank you. We'll take our next question now. We have speaker number 10, Daljit Singh. Mr. Singh, we are waiting for your connection. Please unmute your microphone and camera. Yes, Mr. Singh, please go ahead. We'll wait for a response from Mr. Singh. Yes, Mr. Singh, please unmute your microphone. We have given you permission to speak now. We'll try one more time. Mr. Singh, are you able to hear us? Please unmute your microphone and go ahead with your question. Please unmute, sir.
हेलो
Yes, yes, Mr. Singh. We can hear
सर,
you.
आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
Yes, we
सर,
can hear you.
मैं दलजीत सिंह नई दिल्ली से एजीएम में शामिल हो रहा हूँ। इन्फो एज इंडिया लिमिटेड की 31वीं एजीएम में सीएमडी श्री कपिल कपूर जी एंड एमडी एंड सीईओ श्री हितेश ओबराय जी एवं सभी बोर्ड मेंबर्स का स्वागत है। और इसके साथ ही नए टेन्योर के लिए हमारे सीएमडी सर कपिल कपूर जी को बधाई जी। सीएमडी सर ने बहुत ही बढ़िया तरीके से कंपनी के कामकाज की और फ्यूचर प्लान की जानकारी दी है। थैंक यू। सभी क्षेत्रों में कंपनी ने पिछले सालों से ज़्यादा बिजनेस किया है। धन्यवाद। कंपनी की एनुअल रिपोर्ट बहुत अच्छे तरीके से बनाई गई है ताकि सभी जानकारी आराम से समझी जा सके। सेक्रेटरियल डिपार्टमेंट कंपनी सेक्रेटरी जय भाटिया जी का थैंक्स, जिन्होंने टाइमली एनुअल रिपोर्ट अवेलेबल कराई और वीसी के माध्यम से जुड़ने का मौका दिया। स्पेशल थैंक्स श्री के कुमार जी का, वो जब भी हमें कंपनी से रिलेटेड कोई काम होता है वो हमेशा हमारी मदद करते हैं। सर, प्लीज टेल अबाउट न्यू एरियाज इन विच कंपनी थिंकिंग टू एंटर, and also what is planning behind investment in listed company Eternal, Zomato and PV Beso Bazaar Fintech. Thanks and regard.
Thank you very much, Mr. Singh.
Thank you. We have speaker number 11. We have Ms. Lekha Shah. Ms. Shah, please go ahead.
Hello.
Yes,
Am I
we can
audible,
hear
sir?
you. Yes, please.
Thank you, sir. Respected Chairman, sir, Board of Directors, and my fellow members, good evening and regards to everyone. Myself, Lekha Shah, and I am joining this meeting from Mumbai. At the outset, I would like sincerely thank our Company Secretary Jaya ma'am, especially Kumarji, for sending the AGM report well in advance. I found the AGM report and am delighted to say it's so beautiful, full of colors, informative, comprehensive, and enriched with a valuable fact and figures place. Once again, thank you so much, my Company Secretary Jaya ma'am and Kumarji. Thank you, Chairman sir, for insightful and well-present addresses. I congratulate the Chairman sir, the Board of Directors, and all the employees for their effort and dedication during the year. I appreciate the company performance and wish the management continued success and growth. Best wishes for all the festivals happening right now. May God bless the enable the company to perform better in the coming days. Chairman sir, I would like to ask you questions. My first question is, what are the company's growth plan for the next 3 to 5 years? And my second question is, what steps are being taken to improve profit margins? Chairman sir, I hope the company will continue video conference meeting in future. So I would like to say, I strongly and wholeheartedly extend my support all the resolution before the meeting today. मैं स्पेशल हमारे मॉडरेटर सर को धन्यवाद बोलना चाहती हूँ। एवरी मीटिंग का पहले हमें कॉल करे, मेरे स्पीकर नंबर बताते हैं, इसलिए मॉडरेटर सर स्वप्निल जी आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू सो मच सर।
Thank you very much, Ms. Shah.
Thank you. Our next speaker shareholder number 12, Mr. Satish Shah has registered. However, we don't see his connection as joined. We'll move to speaker number 13. We have Mr. Yashpal Chopra. Mr. Chopra, we have sent a prompt on your screen. Please accept that. Yes, you can go ahead with your question now.
Yeah. Myself, Yashpal Chopra, shareholder from Delhi. Being a super senior citizen in age, I would like to bless my CMD, Mr. Kapoor, our MD, Mr. O'Brien, and our CFO, sorry, forgotten, Mr. Mago, and the company secretary, Madam Bhatia, and the entire dynamic team of independent directors. They all deserve kudos for the excellent performance of the company. There has been all-round growth, whether it is revenue, PBT, PAT, ROC, even an investor-friendly dividend. We are very much proud of the company. And sir, as regards your all four verticals, starting from Shiksha, 99 acres, Naukri.com, and marriage, all are working excellently well. So, and all are concerned with the welfare of the human life. So, this is a very, very important cause for which our company is working over there, and we are very much proud of that. We are not only earning, we are even getting the blessings of the people. So, sir, that the share price of the company has moved from rupees 900 to 14 and 33. That shows the strength of the management and strength of our projects. So, and as regards the future of the company, I would say it is excellent because of the demographic growth in the country, and because of the PM's dream as well as the action for the 3 trillion economy by 2030. So, all these factors are favorable. Sir, almost most of my inquiries have been covered, but still I would like to find out. The first thing is that what would be the contribution to GDP by our company by 2030 when our PM wants to make our country as a 3 trillion economy. Yeah. And the second query will be, sir, you are the co-promoter in Zomato. When would you like to make an exit? Because when you will decide, only then we will decide. Because we are also the shareholder, though with a small holding, but we will be there so long you are there. So as we have got a big confidence in you, and of course you being over there, so we have a big confidence in Zomato as well. And final question is, sir, though you have replied that in detail, that what is the modus operandi of AI application, you have just explained all that. So that is why I will not repeat the question, but at the same time, I will just tell you for your record that my grandson, Dr. Ayush Chopra, he has completed his PhD in AI from MIT Boston, and he has set up his own company by the name Iceberg Systems, and he's just working on the projects and all that. If at any stage you are in need of that, you can contact him, you can contact me. So finally, before I wind up, I will pray God for the positivity for the entire team, for my company, because that positivity means the strength of the company and strength of my investment. And I will not forget to compliment our Mr. Kumar, because he is a big bridge of relationship between the shareholders and the management. So we are very much proud of him. So, sir, I wishing you happy festivals coming ahead. You enjoy with your family in a safe and healthy mood. This is what I wish for you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chopra, for your comments, and also congrats for the success of your grandson. Can you just repeat your first question? I was a little confused on what the question was.
Mr. Chopra, we have given you permission to unmute your microphone one more time.
Yeah. My first question was that what would be the contribution from our company to the GDP growth by 2030? Because
from the other companies, okay. Okay, all right. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Chopra. We'll take our next question now. We have speaker number 14, Mr. Vinay Bhide. Mr. Bhide, please unmute your microphone and camera both. Yes. We'll wait for your connection. Please go ahead, sir.
Hello, moderator. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, Mr. Bide. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Mr. Bide, we can hear you. Please go
Hello,
ahead.
moderator. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, please go ahead.
Hello.
Can you hear us?
Hello.
Mr. Bide, hi. We can hear
Moderator,
you.
are you able to
Please
hear
go
me?
ahead. I think we have connection issue with Mr. Bide. Let's try with Mr. Bide one more time. Mr. Bide, please unmute your microphone once. We have given you permission to speak now.
Hello.
Yes, please go ahead.
Hello, moderator. Are you able to hear me?
Mr. Bide, yes, we can hear you. Please go ahead. Chairman, sir, you're able to hear me, right?
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
Yeah. Mr. Bide, yes, we can hear you. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Bide. It seems we have a connection issue with Mr. Bide. We don't have a response from him. We'll move to our next speaker shareholder. We have speaker number 15, Sheetal Khurana. Please unmute your microphone and go ahead.
Hello, am I
Yes.
audible?
Yes, please.
Yeah. A respected chairman, sir, esteemed board of directors, and co-shareholders. A very good evening from my side, sir. I'm joining from Delhi, sir. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me an opportunity to share my thoughts on this VC platform, which is the need of the hour. It is not pan India, but also pan world. As sir, you are also joining from outside. So here, any stakeholder, not a shareholder, any stakeholder, maybe banker or director, may join from anywhere in world. So I would like to request you to please continue on this platform in future also, sir. Second, sir, we have a deep appreciation for your sincerity, devotion, dedication, which has been shown in the excellent result of the company, good dividend, market price, and nice balance sheet, sir, preparation, which I have got on a single request from JMM, and good CSR and high standard of corporate governance, sir. And a good tagline, sir, building for the future. And rightly, we are doing in the same fashion, sir. Sir, my simple request, please consider split up or bonus issue when you think it is the right time, appropriate time in the future, sir. And I'm proud to be a member of the InfoEdge family, sir, and want to continue since we are a long association since inception of the company, sir. And I have a small two questions, sir. First, sir, regarding CSR activities, the company is doing excellent, sir. What is your future plan for 2-3 years, sir? Next 2-3 years. And second, sir, in this warlike situation, whether there is any adverse impact in our on our input cost or export potential or otherwise, and if so, then what's the roadmap of this company to combat that, sir? And last but not least, sir, I would like to thank you, CFO, sir, CSGMM entire team, and K. Kumarji, who is the man behind the curtain. They have enabled me to join this VC on this platform and share my thoughts with you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Namaskar.
Thank you very much, Mr. Khurana.
Thank you. We have speaker number 16, Reena Jain. Ms. Jain, please accept the prompt. Yes, thank you. Now you can go ahead and unmute your connections, please. Please go ahead.
नमस्कार चेयरमैन सर, मैं दिल्ली से
अजय कुमार जैन ज्वाइंट शेयर होल्डर बोल रहा था। आपने लास्ट ईयर की जो एजीएम में 2025-26 के प्रोजेक्शंस दिए थे और फाइनेंशियल और वर्किंग के बारे में, उससे भी आपने अच्छा करके दिखाया है, उसके लिए मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं सर। और आपकी जो चेयरमैन स्पीच थी वह काफी प्रभावशाली थी। हर जो भी हमारी सब्सिडीज कंपनी है या जो हम करते जा रहे हैं, सबसे अच्छी खासियत है सर, आप है ना लेटेस्ट जो चीज चलती है मार्केट में उसको अडॉप्ट करते हैं और उसके ऊपर फोकस करके उससे हमारी कंपनी का रेवेन्यू जनरेट करते हैं। जैसे आजकल एआई है, शिक्षा है, उस पर आप अपना ज्यादा ध्यान दे रहे हैं, इसके लिए मैं आपके विजन्स को धन्यवाद देता हूँ सर। आज सबसे अच्छी पहली मीटिंग में जुड़ने का मेन उद्देश्य था आइटम नंबर 3 का अनुमोदना करनी, क्योंकि आइटम नंबर 3 मेरे रिस्पेक्टेड चेयरमैन सर का रेजुलेशन है और उनका रेजुलेशन पास होने के बाद उनका अनुभव परामर्श हमारी कंपनी को नई आगे बढ़ाएगा। और सर आज पार्टी बनती है लेकिन आप विदेश में हैं, आपसे कह नहीं सकते, क्योंकि आज बहुत खुशी का दिन है सर। सबसे अच्छी बात है कि आपके अंदर दो चीज हो रहे हैं, एक हमारी कंपनी का लोगो होना चाहिए कल्प वृक्ष, आपने इतना दे दिया कल्प वृक्ष के नीचे खड़े होकर जो मांगो मिलता है, और दूसरा आपके हाथ में पारस मनी है, जो आप करते हैं मिट्टी में भी हाथ डालते हैं सोना बन के निकलती है। यही एक आपका एक विजन है जिसके लिए हर शेयर होल्डर, मेरे से पहले जितने भी वक्ता थे उन्होंने उसके बारे में सबने तारीफ करी। सर 3 क्वेश्चन आपसे, 2 क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहता हूँ। मेरी कंपनी का नौकरी गल्फ में 19% रेवेन्यू बढ़ा है सर, तो क्या कंपनी इस विषय में और विस्तार करने की सोच रही है जहां उसको फोकस या ग्रोथ दिख रही है? और सर मेरी कंपनी जीवन साथी और 99 एकड़ के विज्ञापन पे काफी खर्च करती है, तो क्या मेरे को रेवेन्यू भी उसमें ज्यादा या ग्रोथ ज्यादा दिखाई दे रही है? यही 2 क्वेश्चन है। और सर आपके दिशा निर्देश से सीएस मैम ने मीटिंग को हमेशा की तरह औपचारिकता न समझ के जिम्मेदारी निभाई है। कुमार सर ने एक एक शेयर होल्डर को, जैसे जो टीचर होते हैं ना, एक एक को याद दिलाते, अरे नहीं आपको मीटिंग में जुड़ना है, कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं आ रही, वो किया है। यही तो आपकी क्वालिटी है, इसको कहते हैं गुड कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस। और होस्ट भी अच्छी सिग्नल क्वालिटी आ रही है। एक यादगार सेशन, आप जैसी सभा को में जुड़ना और आपको सुनना देखना मेरे लिए अच्छा रहेगा। भगवान आपको स्वस्थ रखे, तरक्की दे, इसी आशा और विश्वास के साथ नमस्कार, जय हिंद।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जैन साहब।
Thank you so much, Mr. Jain. We'll now move to our next speaker shareholder. We have speaker number 17, Manjeet Singh.
Hello, Chairman sir, can you hear my voice?
Yes, Mr. Singh.
Chairman sir, first of all, good evening to you, all the board of directors, all the staff of InfoEdge Limited and my co-fellow shareholder. सर जिस तरीके से आपने अपनी ओपनिंग रिमार्क्स में हमें कंपनी के बारे में बताया, और सर InfoEdge एक हालांकि ऐसा नाम है जिसको सर हर एक शख्स एक नाम से ही जानता है हमारी कंपनी को और नोन है। बाकी सर एक चीज देखते हुए बड़ा अच्छा लगता है जिस तरीके से आप मीटिंग को चालू करते हैं और हंसते मुस्कुराते हुए पूरी एजीएम को कराते हैं। हम सर यही भगवान से प्रार्थना करते हैं कि इसी तरीके से आप हर साल ऐसे ही हंसते मुस्कुराते हुए हमारी एजीएम को कराएं और सफलता के साथ जब एजीएम का अंत हो तो इसी तरीके से हंसते मुस्कुराते रहें। बाकी चेयरमैन सर अपने 2 क्वेश्चन सर पूछना चाहूंगा सर। व्हाट इज द कंपनीज फ्यूचर प्लान फॉर एक्विजिशंस एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट्स? थोड़ा सा सर इस बारे में बताएं। बाकी सर दूसरा, कंपनीज हैव अनाउंस्ड बायबैक्स आफ्टर द बजट 2026 टैक्स चेंजेस, व्हाई इंक्रीज डिविडेंड पेआउट्स इंस्टेड ऑफ अ बायबैक? थोड़ा सा सर इस बारे में बताएं। बाकी सर अपने सीएस मैडम और उनके पीछे बैठे कुमार साहब जिस तरीके से एक एक शेयर होल्डर और इन्वेस्टर को इन्वेस्टर फ्रेंडली अप्रोच के साथ इनकी पूरी टीम एक एक शेयर होल्डर को आपके सामने बुलवाती है, और सर एक एक शेयर होल्डर बहुत आराम से अपने नेट के जरिए आपके सामने बोल भी पाता है, ये भी सर एक बहुत अच्छी चीज है। इसलिए सर मैं इन लोगों का धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगा कि जिन्होंने इतनी मेहनत करके हमें आपके सामने बोलने का मौका दिया। और सर आपसे एक चीज की रिक्वेस्ट भी जरूर रहेगी सर, जिस तरीके से अभी प्रीवियस शेयर होल्डर ने बताया कि हम लोग जिस तरीके की रिटर्न चाहते हैं वो सर आप डिविडेंड हो चाहे शेयर प्राइस हो वो सर आप देते आए हैं। बाकी सर इस टाइम सर आप विदेश में जरूर बैठे हैं, पर सर जब आप आए तो सर ये मीटिंग जिस तरीके से सफलता पूर्वक पूरे पूरे सेक्टरल डिपार्टमेंट और कुमार साहब ने कराई है, इन सबकी सर एक बारी पीठ जरूर थपथपाइएगा जो सर इतने बढ़िया तरीके से हमारी एजीएम को कराते हैं। बाकी सर आपने बोलने का मौका दिया, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच कि आपने बोलने का मौका दिया।
Thank you very much, Mr. Manjeet Singh.
Thank you. We have speaker number 18, Mr. Rakesh Kumar, with his question now. Rakesh ji, please unmute your microphone as well.
Hello, audible, sir?
Yes, Mr. Kumar.
चेयरमैन सर, बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स, कंपनी सेक्रेटरी एंड को शेयर होल्डर, सर आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जो आपने मुझे इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर बोलने का मौका दिया। सर, सारी चीजें आपने अपनी स्पीच में बता दी, अब कंपनी के भविष्य के बारे में जो हमें सुननी थी वो आपने पूरी की पूरी अपनी स्पीच में बताई सर। आपने डिविडेंड बहुत अच्छा दिया सर, उम्मीद करते हैं कि नेक्स्ट ईयर डिविडेंड और अच्छा होगा। एक शेयर होल्डर को जो अपने इन्वेस्टमेंट पे इंटरेस्ट चाहिए सर, और वो इंटरेस्ट आप दे रहे हैं, इसके लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर। सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है सर, व्हाट स्टेप हैज दी कंपनी टेकन टू प्रोटेक्ट द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ शेयर होल्डर, इसके बारे में जरूर बताइए सर। धन्यवाद सर, थैंक यू जो आपने मुझे इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर बोलने का मौका दिया। और मैं धन्यवाद कंपनी सेक्रेटरी का और कुमार साहब का भी करना चाहूँगा जिन्होंने इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर हमें जुड़ने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर, थैंक यू जी।
Thank you very much.
Thank you. We'll take our next question now. We have speaker number 19, Mr. Chetan Chadda. Mr. Chadda, please go ahead.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, please.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much to giving me the chance to speak with you. If applicable, please give me the prompt of the camera, please, if possible.
Sure, yes. We have given you permission to switch on your camera as well. You will have an option on your screen. Please accept that. We'll wait for the connection from Mr. Chadda. Yes, Mr. Chadda. Please go ahead. You can switch on your camera now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I am really happy to see you, sir, from after 1 year. सर 365 दिन के बाद हम आज शायद से सेम टू सेम डे में 30th एजीएम थी हमारी 25 अगस्त 2025 को, और आज 25 अगस्त 2026 को 365वें दिन आज हमारी एजीएम आई है। और आपने मुझे अपने साथ जुड़ने का मौका दिया, इसके लिए मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ। सबसे पहले तो सर मैं आपने हमें अच्छा डिविडेंड दिया है, इसके लिए सबसे अच्छा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है कि आपने ₹3.60 फाइनल डिविडेंड रखा है, लेकिन 2 इंटरिम डिविडेंड भी दिए हैं। ये भी एक अच्छे अप्रोप्रिएट बात रही हमारे फाइनेंशियल ईयर के अंदर। सर, डू यू हैव एनी प्लान्स टू इंक्रीज द डिविडेंड पे आउट इन द फ्यूचर? वैसे तो सर हमने ऑलमोस्ट 50% डिविडेंड का पेशो रे आउट रखा है। ये एक अच्छा साइन मार्क है, कंपनी की हमेशा इंटेंशन दिखाता है कि आपने जिस तरीके से प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी कमाई है उसे शेयर होल्डर्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन भी उसी तरीके से किया है, और उसका 50% स्टेक आपने प्रॉफिट का शेयर होल्डर में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया है। ये एक अच्छा साइन रहा है। सर FY 2022 के अंदर 15,625 मिलियन का हमारा रेवेन्यू रहा था, और 2026 आने तक ऑलमोस्ट 30,520 मिलियन हो गया है, यानी कि हम अक्रॉस 4 साल में डबल डिजिट पे आ गए हैं। सर नेक्स्ट 4 ईयर के अंदर भी हम इसे डबल डिजिट करने के बारे में सोच रहे हैं, तो इस बारे में थोड़ा जरूर आप बताइएगा। जहाँ तक सर हमने मार्केटिंग एक्सपेंसेस जो है अगर देखा जाए तो FY 22 के मुकाबले 57.3 से घटा के 29.7, ऑलमोस्ट उसको भी 50% डेप्रिशिएट किया है। ये बहुत ही अच्छा रिमार्केबल रहा साइन कि हम इसके ऊपर भी बहुत अच्छा ध्यान कर रहे हैं। सर 800 प्लस AI प्रोप्राइटरी मॉडल्स के ऊपर हमने इस फाइनेंशियल ईयर में इन्वेस्टमेंट किए हैं 700 मिलियन रुपीस, और सर ये भी एक अच्छा फॉर्मेट रहा है कंपनी के लिए। सर हमने लिस्टेड कंपनी 2 एटर्नल और PV फिनटेक जो हमारी जिनके 12% की इक्विटी डिल्यूट की है, और उससे हमने एक अच्छी अपनी पैसे की जो रेवेन्यू है वो भी आगे नेटवर्थ भी इंक्रीज की है, और वो भी एक बेटर अपने पास ऑप्शन भी अच्छी रखी हुई है कि आने वाले समय में हम उसे कल को ग्रैब भी कर सकते हैं। क्या मैनेजमेंट सर जो हमारी ये 2-3 कंपनियां और भी है, ये 99 एकड़, जीवन साथी और शिक्षा,
क्या हम इसके डीमर्जर के बारे में भी कुछ सोच रहे हैं, ताकि हम चाहते हैं कि सर जय शेयर होल्डर का हमेशा रहता है कि ये दिल मांगे मोर है। जैसे जैसे अब इटर्नल और पीबी फिनटेक पहले स्टार्टअप में थोड़ा सा बेहतर नहीं कर रही थी, लेकिन आज सेपरेट होने की वजह से उन्होंने अच्छी तरीके से मार्केट में एक इवैल्यूएशन खड़ी की है और उसकी शेयर होल्डर को नेटवर्थ भी बहुत बढ़िया मिली है। अगर हम इन कंपनियों को भी एक अलग से लाइनअप दे दें तो ये भी मार्केट में एक अच्छा उस तरीके का इवैल्यूएशन दे पाएंगे शेयर होल्डर को, और इससे शेयर होल्डर की नेटवर्थ और कंपनी की नेटवर्थ भी दोनों चीज़ें काफ़ी ग्रो करेगी। और हम तो ये कहेंगे सर, आप डिविडेंड दे ना दें, अगर इन्हीं कंपनियों के शेयर हमें इसमें से डीमर्जर करके दे दें 1:1 की रेशो में भी, तो हमें उससे भी काफ़ी अच्छी खुशी रहेगी, क्योंकि बोनस देने से हमारी खुद की कैपिटल बढ़ जाएगी। और बोनस की जगह हम इन कंपनियों की अगर हम देखें तो सर शेयर का प्राइस आज, मतलब जब हमारा आईपीओ प्राइस के बाद शेयर स्प्लिट करने के बावजूद भी ऑलमोस्ट ऑलमोस्ट 1350 रुपए का टुडे ट्रेड हो रहा है, और हाई भी है 1440 रुपए का मारा है। लेकिन अगर हम इन कंपनियों की इवैल्यूएशन को अपनी इसमें से निकालेंगे भी, तो भी हम आईपीओ प्राइस के बाद 2 रुपए की फेस वैल्यू में भी खड़े रहेंगे। तो शायद स्प्लिटिंग की हमें जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, और ना ही हमें बोनस देने की शेयर होल्डर को जरूरत पड़ेगी। जब हम नई कंपनियों के शेयर दे देंगे तो शेयर होल्डर को ऑटोमेटिकली एक रिवॉर्ड मिल जाएगा, जैसे कि पहले कंपनियों में मिला है। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच कि आपने मुझे जुड़ने का मौका दिया, और उम्मीद करता हूं कि आगे भी हम कंपनी अच्छा बढ़ता प्रदर्शन करेगी। और सेक्रेटरियल डिपार्टमेंट ने जो एक एनुअल रिपोर्ट की मैंने हार्ड कॉपी की रिक्वेस्ट की थी, टाइमली मुझे रिसीव हो गई है। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you
और
very
सर
much.
एक लास्ट पॉइंट रहा ये कि अगर हाइब्रिड मॉडल पे जैसे हम एआई की तरफ चल पड़े हैं, और हाइब्रिड मीटिंग भी कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि हाइब्रिड में सर वीसी और फिजिकल दोनों मौके मिल जाते हैं शेयर होल्डर को आप लोगों से मुलाकात करने के लिए। और शायद अब कोविड सिनेरियो खत्म हो चुका है, तो हमें भी साल में आप लोगों से एक मौका मिल जाएगा मुलाकात करने का, क्योंकि हमें मालूम है इस व्यस्त जीवन के अंदर अभी मुलाकात का जो टाइम है वो काफी लॉन्ग टाइम गैप आ चुका है, 6-7 साल हो गए, 7वीं एजीएम है। अगर नेक्स्ट ईयर तक पॉसिबल हो पाए तो एक हाइब्रिड मीटिंग करा लीजिए, क्योंकि अब तो गवर्नमेंट भी कह रही है कि 3 साल में एक मीटिंग करानी जो है वो मतलब मैंडेटरी होने वाली है। तो अगर हम पहले ही कर लें तो शेयर होल्डर की बात भी रह जाएगी और हमारी बात भी बड़ी रह जाएगी। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you very much, Mr. Chandra. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Our next speaker, shareholder number 20, Kanika Jain, will ask the question now. Ms. Jain, please unmute your microphone and go ahead.
Hello.
Yes.
Good evening, Chairman Sir, Board of Directors, and fellow shareholders attending this meeting at this BC platform. Excellent speech is given by Chairman Sir, wherein he has elaborated about the achievements and the planning of the company. I appreciate the management focus on the sustainable growth of the company. Most of my queries have been covered by Chairman Sir's speech and previous shareholders. So I have only a small query. Could you elaborate the appointment of the two new independent directors and what they bring to the board? In the end, I would like to convey my thanks to Company Secretary Madam and Mr. Kumarji and her entire team for providing me the copy of annual report and link to join this wonderful meeting. Thank you and all the best.
Thank you very much, Ms. Jain.
Thank you. We have our next speaker, shareholder number 21, Ankur Chanda. Please unmute your microphone.
I am audible?
Yes, please.
Okay. Good evening to everyone. Sir, I just want to say that our corporate governance is too good, तो इसलिए दिक्कत तो है ही नहीं। बाकी हम कंसिस्टेंटली ग्रो कर रहे हैं, वो एक शेयर होल्डर के लिए, कंपनी के लिए और एक मैनेजमेंट के लिए, सबके लिए बहुत अच्छी बात है। और हम यही चाहते हैं सर कि आप ऐसे ही आगे ग्रो करते रहें और हमारे को जो है अच्छे से अच्छी रिटर्न दिलवाते रहे। बाकी हमारा कोई क्वेश्चन तो कोई भी होता है तो हम अपने सीएस साहब के पास, सीएस मैम के पास, और जो अपने कुमार जी हैं उनके पास जाके पूछ लेते हैं, तो वही ग्रीवेंसेस सारी सॉल्व हो जाती है। बस यहाँ तो यहाँ तो हम आपको सर बस देखने और आपको यही चाहते हैं कि हम ऐसे मुस्कुराते हुए देखते रहे और आप ऐसे ही हमारी कंपनी को अच्छी तरह चलाते रहे। धन्यवाद सर, धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Mr. Chanda.
Thank you so much. We have our speaker number 22, Mr. Santosh Bhutani, with his question. Mr. Bhutani, we are waiting for your connection now. You can go ahead. Yes, Mr. Bhutani, please unmute your microphone.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, please.
Respected Chairman, sir, Board of Directors, and fellow shareholders, good evening. First of all, I would like to sincerely thank the management and the company secretary. Your company secretary is truly investor friendly, and your team has managed the meeting arrangement very efficiently. I would like to congratulate the management for making Naukri.com, the most trusted brand in the country, and for the excellent performance of 99 acres, Jeevan Sathi, and Shiksha. I had already sent my follow-up question to the company secretary, but after listening to the chairman's speech, all my questions have been covered. Now I have only one point which I want to submit before you. Sir, as it has been given reply that the dividend payout revised to 65%, but cash is rupees 4,000 crore plus eternal value. With no buyback plan, why not consider 80% payout or special dividend as per capital allocation policy? As an investor, I feel proud to be associated with this company, and I wish the company all the best for the future. I would appreciate your thought on this matter to help us better understand the company vision and strategy. Thank you very much. And my Demat account last three digit is 109. Joining this meeting from New Delhi, Santosh Bhutani, MP Bhutani, and others, my three members, are feel very proud of to be a member of your company. Thank you once again to all. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bhutani. Thank you. We will take that as the last question for today. I will now hand it over back to the management for further proceedings. Over to you, sir.
With all the questions, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll sort of address some of the questions, and I'll try and aggregate them. And there were a few consistent themes that came across, so I'll pick up on those themes as usual. And over the years, we keep hearing comments on I think first, before I go into answering the questions, I want to acknowledge all the comments that came, all the very favorable comments that came for our company secretary, Jaya Bhatia and her team, and Kumar and his team for pulling together, a very, very strong rapport and with all stakeholders and being able to get them all the information that they needed. We're very, very proud of them and their teams for all the work they've done, not only this year, but over the years. So thank you for your comments, which we strongly endorse too. In terms of the themes that came through, the usual themes were there was one about capital allocation that comes through in many different ways. And we need to look at that as an aggregate, and I hope it addressed a lot of the questions that many of you raised. And it's, increasing dividends. Yes, we have been responsive to that. We brought that up in the past, and we have increased dividends, as you know, up to 50% of our PAT this year. And we have actually changed our dividend policy to go up to as high as 65% if we feel, that we have the capability and the need to do so in future years. We will continue to take it up. In terms of a buyback, this is a request that sort of comes through. We have evaluated that within our stakeholder committee. We do believe right now we see a lot of opportunities both on the strategic and the financial side that can unlock a lot of value. And some of the cash that you see on our balance sheet that you alluded to of the 5,000 crores, we do have plans for that and keep that ready as we are evaluating those opportunities. And buybacks also very much on the table for evaluation, but we don't have any immediate plans for that. as and when something develops, we'll obviously make a public announcement on that. So those were some of the themes that come through. Then all of you, I covered a lot of comments on artificial intelligence, and many of you had comments on AI as to what is really happening with AI. And I think it's, as you know, a double-edged sword. And many of you are still, is it a threat? Is it an opportunity? We believe it is largely an opportunity, and you see that with our focus on that. We've, with the investments we've been making in AI, and we spoke about some of the products and all that we've launched in AI that are improving our customer experience in a very significant way and also going into unserved areas. So we, as a company that has trusted platforms and strong brands, the relationship we have with our customers has been our moat over the last several years, over 20 years or 25 years of proprietary data, and constantly refreshing our understanding and knowledge of the customer, when supported with AI, helps deepen that moat for us. So, if you want to get into some more details, and we'd be more than happy to walk you through some of the products and how exactly they're being introduced in many different areas of our business that help deepen that moat. So we clearly see it as an opportunity, a company like us, because the fundamentals of business doesn't go away, which is, building strong customer trust, big relationships, and improving our operating efficiencies. In terms of our future plans, we continue to, as many of you raised, where do we go from here? We remain optimistic, cautiously optimistic as always, because it is a challenging environment. There's a lot happening in the world with the kind of, there could be headwinds that are macroeconomic, and there could be headwinds that are coming in terms of technological changes, as we've spoken about some of the headwinds that have come and impacted our Shiksha business. But we constantly learn and we evolve as a company, and we sometimes have to pivot our business model. In some cases, we augment it with the emerging technology, and in some cases, we have to pivot it, as you've seen us do with Shiksha, where we have moved from, to a more counseling-based model, and in understanding the new environment with what's happening with visa risks, etc., and some disintermediation that's happened in that model on account of AI. So we will, overall, we remain very, very optimistic with where our business is headed. The growth rate that you're saying should hopefully not only be maintained, but improve over a period of time. But, there's a lot of hard work and heavy lifting to be done to get there. And one of the areas is that I think you've seen in 99acres particularly, where we seem to be breaking out, our traffic share having gone up from 32% to 51% in this year. So there will be significant operating leverage that we get. There are learnings that we get from our core business and our main business, which is Naukri, which we can transfer to some of our smaller businesses. You're seeing the benefit that we're getting. You've already seen from the investing side of the business, while PB Fintech and Eternal have been recognized as stars. We've had 3 other companies that we've invested in that have had successful IPOs. And we continue to invest across the spectrum in emerging technologies. So I think there are many, many areas that we can see future growth plans, but it's overall fairly consistent in terms of the strategy you've seen. But we'll have to, be looking at capital allocation on an ongoing basis to see which area we see at that point in time offers the best opportunity. There was a very specific question. Okay, I think there was one question from Kanika Jain wanting to know about the 2 independent directors that you've got on. And I must say we're very, very proud and very lucky to have got on Rajesh Mago, who has had 30 plus years as one of the co-founders of Make My Trip and being the group CEO there. And Radha Rajappa, who's worked with companies like IBM, Microsoft, and Mindtree. And they both bring in a lot of tech leadership, understanding of the whole digital space, which we should be able to really benefit from their experience. And we feel very lucky and fortunate to have got them on the team. They're and hope to learn from their counsel and benefit from it for many years to come. There was another question to do with, I think, demerger. And while I think some of you saying that that could help improve the focus, you might be able to get shares to invest in specific companies out there. We see the point you're making there, but we see also a lot of benefits that we get by housing them together in a single entity. Because when you get scale, you get a lot of economies at the back end of the business and some of the smaller businesses can benefit from that scale. And also, there's learnings. There's a capability that the Naukri business has to be able to invest in technology that we can transfer those learnings and the skills to some of our smaller businesses. So overall, we do see, while we will evaluate opportunities and we see if the focus may make sense. As of now, we see that housing them together and benefiting and sharing the cross, fertilizing some of the learnings and experiences probably to our benefit. So that's an area that we will again evaluate, but your comments have been well noted. In terms of, there was one specific question to do with the grey collar opportunity and what we're doing with Job Hai. If I may just request MD, Mr. Hitesh Oberoi, to just make a comment or two on what some of the initiatives on that front have been.
Mr. Oberoi, sorry, you're on mute.
Yeah, thank you, Kapil. Now, Job Hai is a very integral part of our strategy in Naukri. Naukri targets the top 100 million job seekers in the country. But there's a huge blue and gray collar segment which is now emerging. There are lots of gig workers. Manufacturing is growing very rapidly. There are lots of workers, job seekers who work with, in the services industry, in retail, in salons, and in logistics companies as drivers and so on. So there's and all these all these job seekers have now moved online. They're all on the internet. They're all very savvy when it comes to using their phones. And a lot of these job seekers are hired by large companies like the Zomatos and Swiggies of the world. But a lot of them also work for SMEs. So the idea behind Job Hai is to target the next 300 million people in the country who are looking for jobs, and on the job seeker side, and on the employer side, Naukri, as you know, works with about 150,000 companies. The goal there is for Job Hai will be to work with over 1 million SMEs and enterprises, which is where these workers will find opportunities over time. We have made a lot of progress in the last few years. For the first few years, we worked very hard to build the product. For the last 2-3 years now, we've started monetizing. Year one, we did 5 crores. I think last year we did about 15 crores. This year, we are again targeting to double revenue from Job Hai. So it's a small base, but growing rapidly. There are already 18 million job seekers on the platform. We have 130,000 live jobs at any point in time in 45 job categories. Our initial focus was the NCR market, but this year we are expanding. We are going to be, we already have jobs from more than 100 cities, but we're going to be actively trying to monetize in at least 15 of them this year. So this is a medium-term opportunity for us, and an interesting market. There is the equivalent of a company called Kanzun in China. Kanzun is a very large blue and gray collar job board in China. They've done really well over the last few years. In China, they work with 6 million paid customers. So Job Hai is a good 5-6 year opportunity for us. And we are very excited about it, and we'll continue to invest in this space.
Excellent. Thanks a lot, Hitesh.
Yeah.
And I hope, Mr. Gagan Kumar, that has answered your question in a lot of detail, because you had wanted a detailed update on the blue collar opportunity. There were also a couple of comments overall on CSR and trying to understand what we're trying to do with CSR. Our objective, obviously, is to use those funds very effectively and treat it with the same intent as we do any financial opportunity to see, except the impact for that is a social impact. We're focusing a lot on the education sector as one of our key areas, education, technology, entrepreneurship, where we feel are areas that could be drivers for building a better India of the future. And we want to impact the community that we live in and we serve. So those continue to be focus areas for our CSR initiative. It's being led very effectively by the board committee headed by Ms. Geeta Mathur, and she sort of helps the team out there direct some of these funds appropriately into the right opportunities. And anyone who wants more specific sort of areas where we are in any of these questions, that actually feel free to sort of get back to us. I think we have addressed all the key questions. If we have inadvertently left out any question that may have been unanswered, and if any member has not got a chance to ask a question, then please email us at investors@Naukri.com, and we shall endeavor to respond to you at the earliest. I will now move to voting and request Jaya to share the e-voting details.
Sure, sir. Members may note that the e-voting on NSDL platform will continue to be available for next 30 minutes. Therefore, we request members who have not yet cast their vote to do so within next 30 minutes. The Board of Directors have appointed Mr. Rupesh Agarwal, Managing Partner, failing him Mr. Shashikant Tiwari, and failing him Mr. Rohit Varshni, partners of Chandrasekharan Associate Company Secretaries, as scrutinizer for scrutinizing the e-voting process. The combined results of remote e-voting and e-voting at the AGM shall be announced after receiving the report from the scrutinizer within the stipulated time. The results, along with the scrutinizer's report, will be placed on the company's website and on the website of NSDL and communicated to BSE Limited and National Stock Exchange of India Limited. The voting results will also be displayed at the registered office and the corporate office of the company. The resolutions set out in the notice shall be deemed to have been passed today, subject to receipt of the requisite number of votes. Over to Chairman.
Well, with this, the 31st Annual General Meeting comes to an end. The meeting would stand concluded at the end of 30 minutes from now. That's the time available for those of you who are yet to vote. I want to thank all the shareholders for your cooperation in the smooth conduct of this meeting and your support to the company over the years. And of course, I want to thank all the directors, members of the management of the company, and the auditors who have joined the meeting. Thank you all very much.